Hello, good morning, students. We already learn in revision. There is a fraction, numerator, denominator, and length in centimeter and meter. And also meters, kilometers. Now, today we learn about weight. Here we already know the 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, and in weight you have to read 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So today we learn about weight. So in weight, what is mean by weight? So here weight is the measurement of the heaviness of an object. Means you have to measure weight, heaviness of an object. The units used to weigh different things or object are kilograms, that is kg, and grams, g. Here, kilogram is the unit used to weigh heavier object, and gram is used to weigh lighter objects. Means you have to measure heavier object by using kilogram unit and lighter object in gram. Okay, here some symbols are there. Here 5 kg symbols, 2 kg, 1 kg, 500 gram, and 250 gram. This is the symbols. So we have to measure the weight in a digital weight also. There are only numbers are there on that symbols. See here, conversion of units of weight. Here conversion of units of weight means you have to converting kilograms into grams. Here to convert kilogram into gram means how to convert kilogram into gram, we multiply it by 1000. Okay, convert kilogram into gram, we multiply by 1000. Here we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. You already know. So we have to convert 4 kilogram into gram. So how to convert this one? See here, 4 kilogram is equal to 4 multiplied by 1000 gram. So here 4 kg means 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 grams. Means we multiply 4 multiplied by 1000, here 4000 grams. That is 4 kilogram is equal to 4000 gram. For example, second 8 kilogram and 252 gram. You have to convert into gram. Here 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So here 8 kilogram and 252 gram is equal to, we have to convert into gram, so multiply by 1000. So here 8 kilogram, here 8 kilogram multiply by 1000, that is you have to convert in gram, so multiply by 1000 plus 252 gram, you write down as it is. So here 8 multiplied by 1000, 8000 gram plus 252 grams. Then you have to add these two number, 8252 gram. So 8 kilogram and 252 gram is equal to 8252 grams. Means we convert kilogram into gram, you have to multiply by 1000. Okay, and when you convert gram into kilogram, then you have to divide by 1000. Here 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. Here 8000 gram into kilograms. So you have to convert gram into kilogram, divide by 1000. Here 8000 gram is equal to 8000 divided by 1000, that is kilogram. Then 8000 divided by 1000, that is the 8 kilogram. So 8000 gram is equal to 8 kilogram. Okay. Now next problem here. 5694 gram into kilogram and gram. You have to this convert into kilogram and gram. So 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. That is 5694 gram. You have to convert into kilogram and gram. So here 5000 plus 694, that is in kilogram. Then 5000 divided by 1000. You have to convert into kilogram. So divided by 1000 plus 694 gram. Write down as it is. So 5000 divided by 1000, that is the 5 kilogram plus 694 gram. Then 5 kilogram plus 694 gram. It's don't add this kilogram and gram. So we write down here 5694 gram is equal to 5 kilogram and 694 grams. So you have to convert gram into kilogram and gram. You have to divide by 1000. Okay, now we will solve the my practice time 4. Here same problem. Here you have to solve. See here my practice time 4. Convert the following into grams. Here 7 kilogram. If you convert kilogram into gram, multiply by 1000. So here first write down 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 7 kilogram is equal to 7 multiplied by 1000 gram. You have to convert kilogram into gram, multiply by 1000. So 7 multiplied by 1000, 7000 gram. So 7 kilogram is equal to 7000 gram. Next problem is 7 kilogram and 962 grams. Here first write down 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. Here 7 kilogram and 962 gram is equal to, first you have to convert it 7 multiplied by 1000. You have to convert kilogram into gram. So 7 multiplied by 1000 gram plus remaining 962 gram. Write down as it is. The 7 multiplied by 1000, 7000 gram plus 962 gram. You have to add these two numbers, gram, unit same, so you can add it. So here 7000 plus 962, 7962 gram. So your answer is 7 kilogram and 962 gram is equal to 7962 gram. Okay. Now next G, 7 kilogram and 302 gram. You have to convert it. 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. 7 kilogram and 302 gram is equal to, first 7 kilogram convert into gram. So 7 multiplied by 1000 gram plus 302 grams. 7 multiplied by 1000, 7000 gram plus 302 grams. Same unit. So you have to add 7000 plus 302. Answer is 7302 grams. So 7 kilogram and 302 gram is equal to 7302 gram. Then H, 6 kilogram and 250 gram. You have to convert into gram. Here 6 kilogram and 250 gram is equal to, first kilogram you have to convert into gram. So 6 multiplied by 1000 gram plus 250 gram. 6 multiplied by 1000, 6000 gram plus 250 gram. Here same unit, gram gram. So 6000 plus 250, that is the 6250 gram. So 6 kg, 6 kilogram 250 gram is equal to 6250 gram. Okay. Now next question number 2. Here convert the following into kilogram and gram. Means if you convert kilogram into gram, so you divide it by 1000. Okay. Here first problem B, 4000 gram. You have to convert into kilogram, then divided by 1000. So 4000 gram is equal to 4000 divided by 1000 kilogram. So 4000 divided by 1000, that is the 4, and kg is the unit. So 4000 gram is equal to 4 kg. That is the kilogram. Next D, 7810 grams. So you have to convert into, here 1000 gram is equal to 1 kg. That is the 7810 gram is equal to 7000 plus 810, that is in gram. Then here 7000 divided by thousands. So here 7000 divided by 1000, that is the kg, that is the kilogram. So gram converted into kilogram, so divided by 1000 plus 810 gram. Here 7000 divided by 1000, that is the 7 kilogram plus 810 gram. So a 7810 gram is equal to 7 kilogram and 810 gram. Okay. Now here next problem E, 7009 gram. You have to convert into kilogram. So here first 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. 7009 gram is equal to 7000 plus 9, that is in gram. Here 7000 divided by 1000 kilogram plus 9 gram. So 7000 divided by 1000, 7, that is the kg unit, plus 9 gram. So here kilogram and gram, so don't add it. So you write down 7 kilogram and 9 gram. So 7009 gram is equal to 7 kilogram and 9 gram. Next F, 7190 grams. So you have to convert into kilogram. 1000 gram is equal to 1 kilogram. So 7190 gram is equal to, here for 7000, here plus 190 unit is gram. So you have to convert it into kilogram. So 7000 divided by 1000 kilogram plus 190 gram. Here 7000 divided by 1000, that is the 7 kilogram plus 190 gram. So 7190 gram is equal to 7 kilogram and 190 grams. Your answer. Now you have to solve remaining problems from my practice time 2. Question number 1, A, B, D, F, and question number 2, A, C, G, H. And you have to solve the match the following in the test book. Okay, thank you.